Welcome everyone to a brand new video. In this video I'll be showing you how to download the eFootball PES 2022 modded version in which you can get free unlimited coins and a free store mod. And it's basically the Pro Evolution Soccer modded version, which gives you access to free store mod and free unlimited coins. And the best part about this game, about this modded version, is that it is downloadable and compatible with both Android and iOS devices. And that means you can get this game, the modded version of this game, downloaded into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. And the best part about this video is that later in this video I'll be showing you some steps, and those steps work on both Android and iOS devices, which means by following those steps correctly and carefully, you will be able to get this game downloaded into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices, which is super simple and amazing, because this is not a modded version that you'll be able to explore and find on the internet readily and easily. And if you find it by any means, it will contain viruses and it will just harm your device and create a whole set of new problems for you. So the bonus is working over here, and you'll be paid the free coins as well. So as you can see, this free store mod means all the different packages for coins are costing me $0. And the moment I click on a particular package, that particular amount of coins will be transferred to my personal coins, and this is the eFootball Plus, the modded version of eFootball PES 2022. Which gives me and will give you free unlimited coins and a free store mod. So the free store mod means that if I had the normal version of this game, I would definitely go to the store to purchase coins and I would pay real money. But in this modded version, everything in the store is free, and that is the mod of this game. It gives me a free store. Anything in the store is free, which means I can purchase anything I want without paying a single penny, and that is what makes this mod an incredible modded version. So, look at this. As you can see, I have all these different packages of coins costing me $0.00, which means I don't have to pay a single penny, and there you go. The bonuses as well are added to my personal coins with the package I'm buying. Well, I'm not buying, I'm just clicking on it. So look at that. The moment I click on it, that amount is transferred to my personal coins, and this is how this modded version works. It is amazingly insane. And the best part is that it is downloadable and compatible on both Android and iOS devices, which means you'll be able to enjoy this modded version on either of your Android and iOS devices. Nobody should worry about using the type of device they have. This works for both Android and iOS devices. All you have to do is just watch this video till the end and follow the steps I'll be showing you in the later part of this video, and by doing so you'll be able to get this modded version downloaded into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. So as I was saying, that this modded version is not quite readily available on the internet, and where it is, by means of extensive research, you'll be getting some viruses with the modded version injected in your phone, and that will create a set of whole new problems for you. So you don't want that. But in this video I'll be showing you a pretty reliable method, and by following that method you won't have to pay a single penny, and you'll get this modded version downloaded pretty safely into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices, and you won't have to worry about injecting viruses or ransomwares in your devices either. So it is entirely safe and amazing. So as you can see how crazy this modded version is, the moment I click on a particular package, that amount is transferred to my personal coins, and this is how crazy and amazingly it works. It is super simple and quick. Now let me just tell you another amazing thing, and that is that since coins are the primary currency of this game, since you have them in unlimited amounts, you can purchase any other thing as well for free. That means this game is just on another level with this modded version. You can purchase all this crazy stuff you've always wanted to purchase in the normal version but couldn't because of their expensive costs, and you can just use those things and enjoy those things in this game and just, quench the thirst of those things in this modded version. And don't worry about running out of coins at any point in the game, because you can always come to the store and purchase as many coins as you want without the worry and without the need to worry about running out of coins at any point in the game. So this is the eFootball Plus. What I'll be doing is that I'll be deleting it right now so that we can go through the downloading process, and by the end of this video I'll have this game downloaded in my phone again. So let's move on to the settings. Step number 1 is that you have to go down to your battery settings and make sure that the battery saving mods are off on either of your Android and iOS devices. So this is step number 1, which is for both Android and iOS devices. You have to make sure that your power saving mods are off on either of your Android and iOS devices. Step number 2 is go to your general settings above Control Center, go to your background app refresh underneath the iPhone storage and make sure it is on Wi-Fi and cellular data. And this is step number 2, which is only for iOS devices because there is no background app refresh in Android devices. So for Android users, just skip this. After that, move on to your last settings, and that is go to your browser settings. Whichever browser you're using, go to its settings and go to the privacy and security section and make sure all cookies have been unblocked by turning off the option that says block all cookies. And this is step number 3, which is for both, again, Android and iOS devices. Once all of this is done, hit open your browser for which all the cookies have been unblocked, and in my case it's Safari, and in the search engine bar type this in carefully and correctly, appisland.club. Right guys, appisland.club, type this in carefully and correctly, and click search, and a list of modded games and apps will appear right in front of you this way, and this list contains a lot of crazy stuff that you might be interested in, but for now let's just focus on what we need, and that is eFootball++, and there you go. I just found it. It says free store mod, all items in store are for free, unlimited coins. So click on it. Since it's signed, you can just start the injection process by clicking the start injection button. Now remember, there is no need for jailbreaking and rooting over here. It's that simple and straightforward as I'm showing you it is. And the only reason I have fast forwarded the video over here is to make it short, because the injection process may take up to a few seconds in most cases. However, in some cases it may take up to a minute or two, so that varies with your internet connection speed. And after that, you'll be asked to complete this one last easy step, which is going to be super easy. Let me just show you how it's done. So over here, you have to basically install 2 apps from the list below and follow the instructions to complete the injection process. Now, out of all these offers and instructions, I have to complete 2. And I'll be going with the 2 easiest of all the instructions, and my first one is going to be free prints. I have to install it and run it for 30 seconds. Now, these apps are downloaded from the official store, so they're 100% safe to use. And although they've instructed me to run it for 30 seconds, I will run it for 40 different seconds to be on the safe side, and would recommend you guys to do the same as well. However, you might not notice it because the video has been fast forwarded to make it short. And rightfully so, I've completed my instruction number 1. Now moving on to instruction number 2, I'll go for iHeartRadio. Again, I'll have to install it and run it for 30 seconds, but I will run it for 40 different seconds to be on the safe side, and would recommend you guys do the same as well once again. And remember, once your game has been downloaded, you may delete these extra apps to optimize their storage, and once you have your game downloaded, you may, basically once you have completed both your instructions, you may close all these things and return to your home page, and you'll notice that your eFootball++ would have been downloaded just the way it has been downloaded over here from these simple steps. So, I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you next time in another cool video with another cool game or a modded version or an app. Until then, take care of one another, and see you next time. Peace out.